Welcome to a new lesson on Nextscale Media. So till now, we have already understood what affiliate marketing is, how affiliate marketing works, how you can work as an affiliate, and in the last lesson, we understood one of the most important things in affiliate marketing, that you need to select a niche, meaning which industry's products you want to sell, right? So let's continue from there. Again, if you go to Amazon, you will see one section called bestsellers, right? What will you see? Bestsellers. Now if I open the bestsellers section, then I can see products that are selling very heavily. For example, suppose there is a home and kitchen department. Now if I click on home and kitchen, then you can see which products are currently top sellers. This product is ranked number 1. This one is number 2. This one is number 3. So from here, you can understand which products are in high demand and which products are selling a lot. This gives you a very good idea about what type of products you should choose. And if you go deeper, for example tableware, then again you can see which tableware product is number 1, which one is number 2, so you can deeply analyze product demand. Now if I go back to any department, again, you can see different categories. For example, beauty. Now if I go into beauty, then again you can see products like Dettol Germ Protection, Vaseline, and many other products that are top sellers. So you can easily understand what products are trending and what products are in demand. The easiest way to research products is simply by using Amazon. There are many other tools available too, but honestly, Amazon is good enough to get started. Now there are two very important things that you absolutely must understand if you want to build a career in affiliate marketing. The first thing is, you need to see what type of commission a company offers, right? Now generally, there are two types of commissions. First is fixed commission. Second is recurring commission. Now what is fixed commission? Suppose you sold a t-shirt and you got 15% commission. That is a one-time commission. You sold the product, you received commission, finished. Similarly, suppose you sold a phone worth 10,000 rupees and you got 20% commission. You got your commission once, and after that, nothing. That is called fixed commission. Now what is recurring commission? Suppose a company offers 10% recurring commission. In this case, you will get commission not only in the first month, but also in the second month, third month, and every month, as long as the user keeps paying for that product. This type of commission mostly works in SaaS products, meaning software as a service products. For example, suppose I am promoting an email marketing software. Now if you buy that software through my affiliate link, then what happens? You pay the company in the first month. I get commission. You continue using the software in the second month. You pay again. I get commission again. Third month. Again you pay. Again I get commission. So as long as you continue paying for that software, I continue earning commission every month. If you use that software for 3 years, then I may continue earning commission for 3 years. That is why recurring commission is generally much better. But recurring commissions mostly exist in SaaS or software products. Physical products, or one-time purchase products, usually do not have recurring commissions. So first, whenever you work with any company, you should check whether they offer fixed commission or recurring commission. Now the second extremely important concept in affiliate marketing is cookie period, right? Now what is cookie period? Listen carefully. Suppose you sent a user to an affiliate product. The user clicked your affiliate link and reached the affiliate product landing page. Now imagine, at that moment, the user did not purchase the product, but after 20 days, the same user came back and purchased it. Now the question is, will you get commission? This is where cookie period becomes important. Now what exactly is a cookie? Basically, the moment a user clicks your affiliate link, a small file gets stored in the user system. That file tracks that this user clicked your affiliate link, and later, When the user revisits the website and purchases the product, the system can identify it. That tracking file is called a cookie. Now suppose today the user clicked your affiliate link and after 20 days, purchased the product. Now imagine the cookie period is 30 days. That means, if the user purchases the product within 30 days, you will receive commission. But suppose the cookie period is 30 days and the user purchases the product on the 40th day, then you will not receive commission. Why? Because the cookie expired after 30 days. So it is extremely important to check the cookie period of every affiliate program you work with. Normally, standard cookie period is around 30 days. But if a company has a very short cookie period, then it can create problems for you, especially if the product requires time for the customer to make a decision. So these are the two very important things you must check. First, what type of commission is offered? Fixed or recurring? Second, what is the cookie period? Later, when we create affiliate accounts on different platforms, I will show you exactly where these details are visible. But for now, you should clearly understand these concepts, right? So that's it for this video. We'll meet again tomorrow with a new lesson on Nextscale Media. Thank you so much.